students, now we are going to solve equations today. I'm super excited to do this. Solving equations is it's one of my favorites. Remember when we solve equations, we do inverse operations. We solve with using inverse operations. So the opposite or the inverse to multiplication is division. The opposite or the inverse to addition is subtraction, and vice versa. Okay? Remember, our goal is always to get our variable or our letter by itself. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, Brayden has 3 soccer balls and 2 basketballs. The total weight is 5.44 pounds. Each basketball weighs 1.37 pounds. Which equation and solution can be used to determine S, the weight of the soccer ball? So we don't know soccer. Okay, so let's go ahead and make our equation. So we know that our total is 5.44. Okay, we know that we have basketballs, 2 basketballs that are 1.37. And then we have 3 soccer balls, but we don't know what that is. If I was to draw a picture, it would look something like this. Okay, this would be my picture. So I know I need to multiply, or I can do 1.37 plus 1.37, or 1.37 times 2. Which gives me 274. Plus 3s equals 5.44. If I look at my answer choices so far, I know that I can go ahead and eliminate D and A because those just talk about 2 soccer balls, okay? But we know that this is the correct equation, but let's go ahead and solve. So remember, we solve by doing inverse operations. So what is the opposite or the inverse to positive 274? Negative. That's 0, 14, so 2.70. Now I'm going to get S by itself, so I have to do the inverse here. Divide by 3, divide by 3, and I get 90, which is C. Okay, you guys, let's do the next one. If I notice, I have a balance beam, so we know that is equal. Stefan is paid $25 to mow a lawn. This amount is 4 less than twice the amount he received. Ooh, somebody's shorting him. He received when he first mowed the lawn. Use the model to determine X, the amount Stefan received when he first began mowing the lawn. So I'm going to go ahead and write this. We know that it's supposed to be 25 equals 2x minus 4. We're going to go ahead and solve. So remember, I solved using inverse operations. I'm going to start with addition and subtraction first. So the inverse to negative 4 is add 4 here. So we have 29 equals 2x. I'm still not done yet. I have to get x by itself, so the inverse to multiplication is division. 29 divided by 2. 2 goes into 29 one time. 2 goes into 9 4 times, makes 8. Subtract that's 1, add a decimal and a 0. 2 goes into 10 5 times. So my answer is B. Okay, guys, you're going to continue to practice on quizzes. Have a wonderful, fantastic day. Bye.